Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your trainer Iqra Khan and you are here on English Learning Point. So today I'm with a new topic and this is could. We can use could. Could is an auxiliary verb and a modal auxiliary verb. Okay, so we can use could to talk about past possibility or ability, and as well as we can use could to make a request. The structure of could is we can use subject and then the auxiliary verb could and then the main verb, like I could swim. Like I could swim, he could not walk. Could your mommy walk? The main verb is always a bare infinitive without to. Notice that could is invariable. There is only one form could. Could is invariable, like it has not any second and third form. This is invariable. The main verb is always the bare infinitive. The main verb is always the bare infinitive without to. Like the main verb, like this, swim, walk and walk. We cannot say I could to swim, he could not to walk. Like we cannot use to before all of these main verbs because this is bare infinitives. We cannot use to with all of these main verbs. We cannot say I could to play tennis. Okay, this will be the wrong. We cannot use to. We can use could for possibility and as well as for the ability. We can use could to talk about what is possible and what we are able or free to do. I could swim when I was 5 years old. My grandmother could speak 7 languages. When we arrived home, we could not open the door or couldn't open the door. Could you understand what he was saying? So you can see over here that with all of these 4 sentences, we use for possibility and as well as for abilities. One more thing, just need to focus over here a little, that we use positive, that we use I for positive and couldn't for negative. For example, for general ability in the past, but when we talk about any one special occasion in the past, we use be able to for positive and couldn't for negative. Look at these examples. Did you mean that? Did you understand that? What does it mean? Like in journal form, we use could. In journal, we use could. But while making any specific occasion or while making any specific things, whatever, we use in a journal form, we use were able, and while making negative, we use couldn't. Okay, like my grandmother could speak Spanish. My grandmother couldn't speak Spanish. So here with the specific occasion, like in journal, because it is talk about journally, that is why we use here could. With both of these sentences we use could. But here this is a specific occasion. Both of these are specific occasion. Like a man fell into the river yesterday. The police were able to save him. A man fell into the river yesterday. The police couldn't save him. So here we can see that with the positive we use were able, but while making negative we use couldn't. Okay, is it clear that with the journal form, in all the journal sentences we use simple could, while making positive or while making negative, with both of these sentences we use could. But in the same way, while making a specific occasion we use were able with the positive form but could with the negative form. Okay, is it clear? And we use could for request. We often use could in a question to ask somebody to do something. The use of could in this way is fairly polite, formal. Could you tell me where the bank is, please? Could you send me a catalog, please? So you can see over here that we use could for the formal. We use could for the polite. Like, could you give me a book, please? Like as I have told you in my previous lesson, in my can lesson, that we used can for informal. Like, can you give me this? We use can there for informal, and here we are using could for the formal. Like, could you tell me where the bank is, or could you send me a catalog, please?